The Russian aircraft is still one of the most successful long-range and high-precision attack aircraft. The Su-24 version is a more complete weapon. Its payload exceeds 17,600 pounds. The Russian aircraft can fly with a top velocity of 820 miles per hour at a maximum altitude of 10.5 miles. Its range varies between 745-1,550 miles. The Su-24 is an all-weather, twin-engine attack Russian jet fighter capable of supersonic speeds. The Su-24 is regarded as one of the best Russian fighter jets of all time due to its reliability, its extensive combat record, and huge global popularity.